My name is Evgeniy Pavlovskiy. I'm the head of the master program Big Data Analysis and Artificial Intelligence. Actually, we are getting into this notion during our program and show what is big data. It's not even technology and not even data, it's social trends that we need to handle and to manage, and we introduce people to be able to invent some new technology in the field of big data. The high interest to this topic is because of three factors introduced. First is developing artificial intelligence methods that made us able to solve a lot of applied tasks. Second is actually data by itself. We as people are generating a lot of amounts of data, and some scientific equipment also develops, provide us with a bunch of data sets. And third factor is actually science by itself, because introduced new methods and new computational devices that are able to process such amount of data with the help of these artificial intelligence algorithms. We are aimed to prepare our students to practical work. So our master program is more intended to provide professional education with deep investigation of scientific methods. So our students are able not only to provide professional work in terms of big data, but also to develop new scientific methods of processing data sets, introducing new artificial intelligence methods like neural networks. Students who pass our master program, they produce scientific papers, and also they are able to deliver some business value for a company. Usually we take students who have at least C1 level on Cambridge level English, and also we provide support to learn Russian language during our master program from very beginning. But also it's possible to enter with B2 level. For the master program of big data analysis, we invite people who are really interested in applications of big data, because it's a lot in every field of our life. It's evolving applications. So we just require to have bachelor degree. It's obligatory. But the next thing, we do not restrict to the field, but you need to know probability theory, you need to be familiar with that. Need to know linear algebra, how to compute matrices, inverse matrix, and to have some brief introduction to programming, because during our master program we are developing some program with the programming language Python, so it's not easy to enter without any experience. We are learning around 30 disciplines. That is, 20 of them is obligatory and 10 is by student's choice. The disciplines are organized in a manner of project life cycle. We're starting from business analysis. We come through management life cycle, that is project management course, then technology entrepreneurship, product management. We also have tracks, kind of engineering, mathematics track. In engineering track we get into Python, then go deeper and engineering Python, and finalized by distributive systems. Also we get into storage technologies, and we are also learning to artificial intelligence specific kind of computer vision, natural language processing, deep learning in natural language processing. These are by student selection. We pay more attention to machine learning courses because in big data analytics it's kind of bullets. Yeah. We also get into business analysis more because not every master program in big data analysis pay a lot of attention to how to formalize tasks, because in that field now the situation is that we need to formalize our task before starting to perform big data analysis. We employ interdisciplinary approach in our master program. We involve students from different departments during our master program to take part in projects of our students. Our students are supposed, they have to introduce their own project. We help to find customer for them. Sometimes we invite customers and their business needs, and students need to develop their own solution for them, and they are supposed to form their team. It can be interdisciplinary. They may involve students from economy department, from IT department, and also from physics department also. So and to produce some new value for the customer, they actually need to work together to set up tasks for each one, to select their own role. One of can be business analyst, second is engineering, third is data analyst, and to perform a lot of tasks they actually need to be interdisciplinary team. The most complicated discipline is mathematical one. We have several disciplines like information theory, which lies in the foundation of big data analysis. So it's also an obligatory one, and students with lesser mathematical knowledge, they want to have more lessons on it to prepare well. Second is mathematical optimization, which is in the foundation of machine learning algorithms. All machine learning algorithms are kind of optimization, so students need to know what the different methods are in this field. But it's not a big problem. Students, even if they do not pass a course at the first time, they may retake this course. But it's only like once a year possible. Maybe not all students take this possibility because pass this course well.